This video aims to educate readers about how hackers hack mobile phones. It explains various methods used by hackers to access mobile devices. Mobile hacking involves unauthorized access to mobile devices. Hackers use various techniques to exploit vulnerabilities and gain control of these devices. Understanding these methods can help us stay vigilant and protect our data. We will explore phishing, exploiting vulnerabilities, malicious apps, public Wi-Fi dangers, and more. By the end of this essay, you will have a better understanding of how to safeguard your mobile devices. Remember, knowledge is power. Knowing how hackers operate can help you take preventive measures. So, let's get started. Mobile hacking refers to unauthorized access to mobile devices. Hackers use various tools and techniques to gain control over smartphones and tablets. These methods exploit weaknesses in the mobile operating system, apps, or user behavior. The goal is often to steal data, monitor activities, or cause damage. Hackers can access personal information such as contacts, messages, and emails. They may also gain control of your camera and microphone. This allows them to spy on you without your knowledge. Mobile hacking is a serious threat in today's digital world. As mobile devices become more integrated into our lives, the risks increase. Understanding mobile hacking is the first step in defending against it. Phishing is a common method used by hackers to hack mobile phones. It involves tricking users into revealing personal information. Hackers create fake websites or emails that look legitimate. When users enter their information on these fake sites, hackers capture it. This can include usernames, passwords, and credit card details. Phishing attacks can also involve malicious links or attachments. Clicking on these can install malware on your device. Hackers use social engineering techniques to make their attacks more convincing. They may use urgent language such as claiming your account has been compromised. To protect yourself from phishing, be cautious with emails and messages. Verify the sender's identity before clicking on links or providing information. Use security software to detect and block phishing attempts. Trust your instincts and double-check before taking action. Another method hackers use to hack mobile phones is exploiting vulnerabilities in the mobile operating system. Every OS has its weaknesses. Hackers search for these weaknesses and create exploits to take advantage of them. These exploits can allow hackers to gain root access, bypass security features, or execute malicious code. Mobile OS vulnerabilities are often discovered through security research. Both ethical hackers and malicious hackers look for flaws in the system. Once a vulnerability is found, it can be used to create malware or hacking tools. Hackers may distribute these tools through various channels, including forums and dark web marketplaces. Exploiting OS vulnerabilities can give hackers full control over a device. To protect your device from OS vulnerabilities, keep your software updated. Manufacturers regularly release updates to fix known vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates if possible. Avoid rooting or jailbreaking your device, as this can expose it to more risks. Regular updates and cautious behavior can significantly reduce the risk of exploitation. Section 5. Malicious apps, the Trojan horse of mobile hacking. Hackers often use malicious apps to hack mobile phones. These apps appear legitimate but contain hidden malware. Once installed, they can perform various malicious activities. This can include stealing data, spying on users, or even controlling the device. Malicious apps are often distributed through unofficial app stores or websites. They may also be disguised as popular games, productivity tools, or utility apps. Users unknowingly download these apps thinking they are safe. Once installed, the malware activates and begins its harmful actions. One common type of malicious app is a Trojan horse. This app looks useful but hides malicious code inside. When users open the app, the malware is activated. To avoid malicious apps, only download from official app stores. Read reviews and check the app's permissions before installing. Use security software to scan apps for malware. Section 6. The public Wi-Fi trap. Public Wi-Fi networks are convenient but pose significant security risks. Hackers can exploit these networks to hack mobile phones. When you connect to a public Wi-Fi, your data can be intercepted. Hackers can use various techniques to capture this data and gain access to your device. One common method is a man-in-the-middle or MITM attack. In this attack, the hacker intercepts the communication between your device and the Wi-Fi router. They can capture login credentials, personal information, and other sensitive data. Hackers may also use rogue hotspots, fake Wi-Fi networks that mimic legitimate ones. Public Wi-Fi networks often lack proper security measures. This makes it easier for hackers to access connected devices. To protect yourself on public Wi-Fi, avoid accessing sensitive information. Use a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your data. Ensure your device's firewall and security software are active. Always disconnect from the network when not in use. Section 7. Social engineering attacks on mobile devices. Social engineering attacks are another method used by hackers to hack mobile phones. These attacks manipulate people into revealing confidential information. Hackers use psychological tricks to gain the victim's trust and exploit their vulnerabilities. Common tactics include impersonation, pretexting, and baiting. Impersonation involves the hacker pretending to be someone else. They may pose as a friend, family member, or authority figure. The goal is to gain the victim's trust and access to their device or information. Pretexting involves creating a fabricated scenario to trick the victim. For example, a hacker might pretend to be from tech support and ask for login credentials. Baiting involves offering something enticing to the victim. This could be free software, a prize, or exclusive content. When the victim takes the bait, they unknowingly download malware or reveal personal information. To protect yourself from social engineering attacks, be wary of unsolicited contacts. Verify the identity of the person you are communicating with. Section 8. The role of spyware in mobile hacking. Spyware is a type of malware used by hackers to monitor and steal information from mobile devices. Once installed, spyware runs silently in the background. It can capture keystrokes, track location, record calls, and access messages. Spyware is often used for surveillance and data theft. Hackers can install spyware through various means. It can be hidden in malicious apps, email attachments, or links. Sometimes, physical access to the device is required to install the spyware. Once installed, the hacker can remotely monitor the device's activities. Spyware is particularly dangerous because it is hard to detect. To protect your device from spyware, be cautious with downloads and attachments. Use security software to scan for and remove spyware. Regularly review app permissions and remove any suspicious apps. Keep your device's operating system and apps updated to fix vulnerabilities. Section 9. Bluetooth hacking, a silent threat. Bluetooth hacking is a method used by hackers to gain access to mobile devices. Bluetooth is a wireless technology used for short-range communication. While convenient, it can also be a security risk. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in Bluetooth to hack into devices. One common method is bluejacking. In a bluejacking attack, the hacker sends unsolicited messages to nearby Bluetooth devices. While this is often harmless, it can be used to send malicious links or phishing messages. More dangerous is bluesnarfing, where hackers gain unauthorized access to the device. They can steal data, download files, and even control the device. Another method is bluebugging. This attack allows the hacker to take control of the device without the owner's knowledge. To protect your device from Bluetooth hacking, turn off Bluetooth when not in use. Avoid pairing with unknown devices. Set your Bluetooth to non-discoverable mode to hide it from potential attackers. Section 10. Protecting your mobile from hackers. Protecting your mobile phone from hackers requires awareness and proactive measures. Start by keeping your device's software and apps updated. Manufacturers release updates to fix security vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates to ensure your device is always protected. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Use a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification. Be cautious with downloads and links. Only download apps from official app stores. Avoid clicking on unknown links or opening suspicious attachments. Use security software to scan for malware and protect your device. Regularly review app permissions and remove any suspicious apps. Stay informed about common hacking methods and tactics. Section 11. Conclusion. In conclusion, mobile hacking is a serious threat in today's digital world. Hackers use various methods to access mobile devices. These include phishing, exploiting operating system vulnerabilities, malicious apps, public Wi-Fi, social engineering, spyware, and Bluetooth hacking. Understanding these methods is crucial to protecting your device. Mobile security is essential to safeguard personal information and privacy. By staying informed and taking proactive measures, you can reduce the risk of hacking. Keep your software updated, use strong passwords, and be cautious with downloads. Remember, knowledge is power.